Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin guys, because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing, right? So as many of you all know guys on Telegram, I'm in a short position right now, right? Because I saw this and we're looking on the 1 hour here guys. So on the 1 hour I saw this top, right? And then we went down the second top, but then look at this guys, right? So over here we kind of get a higher high, maybe equal, something like that, right? But on here, on the RSI, we go lower, right? So that is a bearish RSI divergence, and that is something that is very strong, and that is a short signal, right? And obviously not only that, but I also saw that the white line here, guys, this one and this one, this is what we call, it's forming a rising wedge, right? So, those two signs and being at this high, I just jumped into a short. All right, guys. So that is what I did. And I'm still in a short, and perhaps I'll take profit here, right, at 6.5 or so. If we fall down there, or at the 382, we'll have to see when we actually fall. But for now, guys, I have not seen any panic. This is just grinding down slowly. So that is pretty much, where we're at. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I don't care. Right? I don't lose much. It's just a really good risk reward that it was up here, right? You had your risk above this wick. Well, the reward was basically just all the way until this line here at the 0.5. It was back then. It still can fall there. So, and who knows, if you're lucky, it just keeps falling, right? For people who are in a short position. You don't know. You don't know what the market will be doing. But what we do know is, if we zoom out on the 1 hour, is this is overall bearish, right? So you get these things called bear flags. Whether you want to say this, we're in a rising wedge here or in a bear flag, that's up to you. It's both bearish. So if we take the channel here, so we take, for example, here, and we would say this is a channel, right? Then this is a bear flag, right? You have this pole here, then you have a flag, and then you go down again until you finally break out of it. So I don't think, if we want to break out, then we need to go down and then once more up and then break out. We're still very far away from this apex point or this apex point. So I honestly think that we are going down, and if we go up, then so be it. If I get stopped out, yeah. So guys, you need to be like ready to take on a loss. If you're not ready to take on a loss, you will always be doubting yourself about going into a trade, right? I always tell myself I'm going to lose this trade, and that's often not the case, but it does happen occasionally. And if you're just ready for that, then it's fine, right? So when you see this, you see, okay, so I can put my stop either here or above here, So let's say you put it here above this high. Okay, I'm happy with that. All right, here's my reward. So 2.6% for a potential loss of 0.86%. That is something you can do, guys. That is honestly something you can do. So, to keep it short, guys, just don't be afraid to enter a trade, right? Because I get PMs from people that are just afraid to enter a trade. And I understand that. But if you have your stop set and you know what you're doing, it's a long... The trading game is a long game, guys. Right? So you have some losers, you have some winners. Just let your winners be bigger than your losers, and you'll be doing just fine. Even if you were a 50-50 trader, even if you were a 30% trader, if your winners are like way bigger than your losers, you can still make up for it and make a crap ton of money. So that's just something I wanted to point out, guys. And then right now about Bitcoin, like I said, guys, this is bear flagging, right? So what I think will happen after this is we go down once more, maybe to this again here, 61. Who knows? We could go all the way to 6,000, right? And then really make a bottom. And if we fall through that, then who knows, right? Like probably just a panic wick and then go up. I don't see this being a prolonged bear market. You know, I honestly don't, but I do see this as a bear flag, because that's the only thing you can really look at it, right? You just have this, the pole, and then you have a bear rising wedge or flag or whatever, right? You fall out and you try again. You try to bottom out again, right? That's what happens, guys, right? I mean, if we just look back, right? You fall down, we try to go up, right? But it is like a bear flag, and then boom, it falls again, right? And then you try again, you fall again, etc. So until you finally find the bottom. But often double bottoms are formed before you go up. So not just like boom and then up. You know, that is not often the case, guys. So what often happens then is, if you have this bottom here, then you have it going up, then you go down again, and you go slowly up, right? That is something that does happen a lot. But you don't often just see this boom and then like going up slowly, and then all of a sudden it happens, but your probability is low. You know, rising wedges, bear flags, they don't often break out to the upside, but it can happen. So definitely have your stop. You know, I have my stop in place as well, and if I got stopped out, so well, I don't care, right? It's just a higher probability of it falling down. So guys, that's pretty much where we're at on Bitcoin. You know, just a quick video about both, just the whole trading aspects in your mind, right? So if you have a stop loss, guys, you will feel a lot better about yourself. You'll feel a lot better. You know exactly what you can lose. Don't move it, guys. All right? If you get hit, oh well, you lose. Hopefully you learned something. And if you did everything correct, if I get stopped out, I don't see anything I've done wrong. You know, it's a high probability chance that it goes down. So, you know, it's just what it is, right? So, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So yeah, also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? So join up with that, guys. Let me check what was going on here. So we had a ascending triangle here being drawn. Yeah, I see it, but you're not taking this into account at all, like these wicks, then the previous high wick. So you're kind of drawing what you want to see. You're drawing what you want to see, Kellen. Right? I mean, it could potentially be, but you're more drawing what you want to see than anything. So, remember the seed round? Yeah, I remember that. But the seed round we participated in, we will get the tokens in like a year or so. Perhaps half a year. So, just wait for that, Ali. Crypto Boss, what is happening with BNB? Okay, so, Christian, this chart here, it looks nice, but I'm not a big fan of like these rounding projections. I'm more about the straight lines than the rounding, because they work a lot better. They just seem to work a lot better. The outcome is a lot better. So, but hey, if this works for you, then go for it, right? So yeah. Then we have just a huge spike in 10 minutes. Yeah. So yeah, guys, join up with that. Also join up with the CryptoPies feed, where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs. And if I find one, guys, I will certainly tell you, so you can whitelist for it before it's there, right? And then obviously on the sale itself, it's always hard to get in. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And also, guys, HashGuard, guys, airdrop, right? Just click the link and sign up. You know, it's a free token. Who knows what it's going to be worth? It's just a great airdrop. Just you know, just throwing it out there. So yeah, guys, both telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Hit that post notification button. And if you got any questions at all, leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video.